evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks on a Friday. It is May 28th. It's actually the 29th. It's midnight Central Time, and we are breaking Bobby bomb box, full-size helmet. She's a one boxer. We randomed up our 27. Jesus. Well, we had 28 left last time and we hit box 28. Now we got 27 left and we hit box 27, guys. We did random teams for this on the left. We've already randomized teams, randomized customers, alphabetized, y'all. Gave you a little bit of time to trade. Didn't really have many offers. It's obviously getting a little late in the room here. Just double checking chats one last time, making sure nothing got accepted or was offered. All right, guys, trading is officially closed. Oh, man. Guys, I'm sorry, we're missing a lot of our big stuff. Still hitting really solid tonight, but missing again, man. We are just piling the giant hits up. Going to be a San Francisco hit with the Frank Gore Eclipse Authentic. Nothing wrong with one of the top 5 all-time running backs in the league. Going to be a Lunar Eclipse Authentic Beckett card and certification on that, guys, for the San Francisco 49ers spot. Don't pull this camera, man. You gotta be shitting me. I hate this camera. Come on, fuckwad. Fucking thing. That damn camera sometimes. I don't know why it's giving me so many problems lately. Alright, but who has the San Fran spot, everyone? Oh, Jesus, God, I am so sorry, poor boy. That is going to be Pat's second hit of the night there, guys. Pat was on a bad roll this series. Bounced back tonight. Got himself 2 different hits there. Wow, guys, you know what I'm saying? We are going to have a nasty run tomorrow or something because we have missed a lot of our big stuff 2 days in a row here, man. We pulled the Elway and the Bettis, which are nice hits, but we have been missing our monsters, and you guys are going to have a nasty last part of your series here. That is going to be a pad hit. I am very sorry, GRF and poor boy there. Like I said, man, sometimes you'll hit just as good with less spots. I appreciate helping us fill that, but make me feel like an ass after that kind of stuff there. Bam! Got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times, everybody. Bam! Pool boy gonna get the double qualifier on that. That is 83 and 84 on our qualifiers, folks. We got 26 boxes left in the series. Man, we are piling up our big hits for the end here, folks. Still got Breeze, Manning, Moss, Lynch, Emmett, Irvin, the Calvin, Adams, Dion, Ridley, Montana, the Claypool, Diggs, Allstott, Chenault, all still left, guys. 26 boxes left in the series. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.